Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect a broker or a wallet, or let's say I'm using my Coinbase wallet or my Phantom wallet and I want to connect this to DEX Screener. Then this is the place where you need to be, because right now if we are here at DEX Screener and we go right here left in the bottom and select right here on the wheel, we can select right here wallet connected, and now we just disconnected it and then everyone is seeing this for the first time on DEX Screener. This means Anon, and that is anonymous, and if you click right here on sign in, we can select right here connect wallet. Then right now we don't want a Phantom wallet, or no, let's say we click this away and then do connect wallet again. And then right now you see right here the wallets that we can link. And if you installed your Coinbase wallet right here to your extensions, you will find it right here. So if you want to connect a broker or a wallet, you will find it right here on this place. So this is the place where you need to be, and this is how you can connect it. Right now, if I click on Phantom, sign message and do confirm, I connected my Phantom wallet, but this works exactly the same for other wallet addresses. So please check this out, and this is the place where you need to be. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.